Well, we were very, very fortunate and we're honoured to have won Best in Category for the boat construction and materials category. So really, really honoured. The whole team is elated. You know, we were here last year at our launch of the product, and to come back this year and win an award is just amazing. I think really recognition of 13 years of product development to produce a modified timber takes an awful lot of money, a lot of hard work and technical science behind it. Develop and can refine our product. We have Yacht is just one of the 3 products that we do. We're always looking at new markets, and we'll keep developing the products that we have and probably introduce a few more, probably in the next year or so. We love Metstrade, and it's just a great show. It's a really, really busy show. It's a big show, and everyone in the trade are here from all over the world. So if you're going to display and try and sell your product and promote your product, this is the place to be.